Hey guys, I am back again today. I wasn't expecting to be back again today, but I got another package. So, the video before that I did, like just a couple, like an hour ago, I had this PlayStation. But so now we're doing this. So let's open it up. This is a fire alarm annunciator. I'm not sure what brand. There we go. Now, let's unwrap it now. That's up. Alright, so we open this up. Yep, it's my fire alarm annunciator. So, yeah. So, there we go. So here it is. I don't really know, like, what it is, like what brand it is, but so here it is. I think it's made by Silent Night, I'm pretty sure, but so it has not a lot of annunciators have this feature, but you can silence the alarm from here, so it doesn't. Not a lot of annunciators have a little silence button, so that's what's cool. You have a dial reset, you have a set date, clear memory, load, set time, test, you have a test button, you have a clear, you have an enter, you have a display memory, you have a reset alarm, and you have a display tribble. So those are all the buttons on this. I guess I'll show you the back of this. I don't know how you really get this off. I think you just pop it off. This. Yeah, there we go. Just pop it off like this. So there we go. I think I can just pop these off from myself. So there you go. Now here's a little back plate, and this is circuit boards. But so these are the terminals on the back. These are all the little dial switches. So I guess we can put this back on now. There we go. So pop that back together. So yeah, that's my new fire alarm annunciator. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.